So, hi dear Leo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal a reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus Rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 18th of August for those who are in complete no contact or communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono, but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So, let's start. Leo, the person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. We have the Ten of Cups, the Two of Swords, the World card. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Pentacles. See, according to them, they're feeling like they were very confused about the situation before. They were not in this energy of should I be with Leo or should I not? Should I be with Leo? Should I not? Now they are telling me that they are very clear. There's no longer any kind of confusion that Leo got their heart. Leo and them has the potential to create something very beautiful, to create a very beautiful future together. But in the background, they are still juggling. They're still going back and forth, on and off, in and out in their energies. Still they have this not, I'm not going to say player like tendencies, because I don't see this person having multiple people in their energies, but they have a very unstable mind, unstable emotions. One day they feel like you are their everything. Another day they are like, okay, maybe I can live without Leo and it's not that much bad. Then they are showing me the clarity. Oh my god, I know Leo is the one for me. Leo and I have the strongest potential on this planet Earth to become something really beautiful. Then in the background they're juggling. It's like, yeah, I want Leo, I don't want Leo, I want Leo, I don't want Leo. They got the mental clarity that you and them could have been a very beautiful match, but emotionally they're still like back and forth, up and down, back and forth about the situation between you and them. So okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Leo? We have the King of Wands, the Five of Cups, the Ace of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Emperor. Wow. See, this person doesn't want to show you how badly they are hurt because of this situation. For some of you, even if you are not with a new person or new energy, they think you are already in a relationship, you are already in a connection, or you have already started dating other people, and this is hurting them like hell. But this person doesn't want to show you that they are hurt because you are moving on. In fact, they want to give you this illusion of, I don't even care if Leo is connecting with new people. I don't even care if Leo is even in a relationship with somebody. I don't even care. They want to put on this facade of everything is fine. I don't even care if Leo is living or dead, but they are dying from inside to be with you. This person wants you so badly right now, Leo, that it's not even funny, but they don't want to show it to you at all. See, this person wants some kind of magic to happen. They're like, okay, let universe do some magic and let Leo make understand that I am the love of their life. They don't want to put in the effort and energy anymore in the situation, but they want some magic to happen so that you are going to run behind them and tell them, oh, you are the love of my life and be with me. What? See, but they don't they want to put in the facade and mask of, yeah, everything is fine, everything is cool. If Leo don't want me, I also don't want them. Cool. Ego. This ego is a very bad thing. I hate ego, I hate mind. I want to be a mindless and egoless kind of energy. I will be. Anyways, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 18th of August. We have the Page of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, the Seven of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Strength. No action from this person's side. They're planning to take the action when some dust is going to settle down, something is going to change. I don't know what they're waiting for. They're waiting for something to change, and they know timing is very important in this situation. When the timing is going to be right, or when something is going to shift, they're waiting and watching for that time when they will be able to take the action at that time, or when something is going to shift or change. I don't know what that is. Hmm? So for till that time, they are going to be in this energy of holding back this urge to connect or reconnect with you, because they know either you are going to insult them, or you are going to straight away reject them, or you are going to say or do something that's going to hurt them. So they are better keeping themselves away from you, because their ego is badly hurt. Okay, let's see the guidance from the universe for you guys. Five of Pentacles. Okay, honey. So if you are feeling the loss of the situation, it's actually not a loss. It's their loss. It's not your loss, honey. First thing. Second thing, even if you are considering this situation as a loss, it is something actually that is going to benefit you in some way, shape, or form in the coming future. I don't know how. Maybe a lesson learned, maybe a blessing. Maybe you are going to have this self love more, boundaries more. Okay, and you are going to understand your own worth or value, whatever it is. Right now you might be feeling like this sucks, but this is the same situation that is going to give you the power of creating strong boundaries, creating strong energies, and value your own worth more than anything or anyone else, period. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.